Now after encapsulation option, let's see how rotate layer works. So inserting rotate layer. A rotate layer is used to rotate or change the angle of an object created on canvas. Right click on the objects layer in layers panel to add a rotate layer for an already existing object. So suppose rectangle is added previously, and now if you want to rotate the rectangle, then first of all you need to insert rotate layer. When you insert rotate layer, it will get inserted above the rectangle layer. So when you insert rotate layer, it will display angle duck, blue colored angle duck. So using that duck, you can change the angle of rectangle. So select new layer, transform, rotate option to insert a rotate layer. So you can see already we have inserted rectangle. So on that you have to right click. It will display a shortcut menu. From that shortcut menu you have to select new layer, transform, rotate option. When you select this option, it will insert rotate layer. So when rotate layer is created on canvas, it shows blue colored duck that can be used to rotate all the objects, that is layers, beneath it. So the total number of objects beneath the rotate layer gets affected by rotate layer. If you want to rotate a specific object, for example only single rectangle, then you should encapsulate, means group it with rotate layer. Remember, in newer version the option is group, whereas in previous version it was encapsulation. Now rotation on a specified path. Now we need to create a animation. We need to create an animation. So let's see an example of a ball rotating around a particular path. We have already seen an example of moving a circle from left to right. You might have created that animation. There we defined the starting point and ending point of the circle that moves on there on the particular linear path. Now we want to move the object as per our defined path. So we will create a path using beeline tool, and on particular path the circle will get rotated. So first of all you need to create a new file, and then click on beeline tool from toolbox. See, if it is older version, then it will display beeline tool option. If it is newer version, then it will display SP line option, but both are same. See that on only create outline beeline is selected in tool options panel. So whenever you select beeline tool or SP line tool, some few options it will display inside tool options panel. So there you have to keep in mind that just one option, create outline beeline option, must be selected. Then create our path for rotation, that is oval shape path, using the beeline tool. Then right click on the ending position of beeline and select loop beeline option. So here it will display this type of beeline. So this is actually path on which we want to move circle. So here draw a circle using circle tool. Then using the palette editor you can change the color of the circle if you want. In the layers panel, select circle layer, right click over there and select new layer, transform, rotate option. This will add a new layer named rotate above the circle layer. As we need to rotate the circle, we have added a rotate layer above the circle. So after that we can rotate the circle. Now press shift key and select both circle layer and rotate layer one by one. So you have to hold shift key. First of all click on circle layer, then click on rotate layer. Both the layers will get selected. Then right click on any layer and select encapsulate or group option from the shortcut menu. So in your version the option is group. Thus the rotate and the circle layer are encapsulated in a layer named inline canvas. So it will display option inline canvas. When you click on inline canvas option, it will display two layers inside it. One is rotate layer and another is circle layer. Now you can also change the name of the encapsulated layer if you want to change. Now select the rotate and circle layer and bring their positioning duck, that is green duck and blue duck, both near to one another as shown in figure. So here you can see all the 4 points are in one line. Now select the inline canvas layer and select its positioning duck. Hold the control key and choose the rotate layer option. Now continue to hold the control key and select the blue duck on the rotation layer. Continue to hold the control key and then select the B line layer, or you can say SP line layer. Now right click on the B line in the canvas where you want the circle to start from. Select the option link to B line from shortcut menu. Now you can see that the circle will move only on the B line path that we have specified. So this way we can make the circle to move only on B line. After that we can create animation at our own. So after that you can create animation on this. Now after that I will show you the entire animation of B line, how to create it, so that you can come to know. Now we will see how first of all rotate layer works. So suppose create a rectangle sign, click on transform tool. You can see that the rectangle layer is added here in layers panel. If you want to move this rectangle then just click on the layers panel in rectangle layer and then click on any duck. Then you have to press Ctrl+A to select both the ducks. Otherwise you can press Ctrl key and then you can select both the ducks. After that you can move the rectangle. When only single duck is selected, at that time you can increase the size of rectangle or decrease the size. Now if you want to rotate this rectangle then by default the angle duck is not given here. So just right click on the rectangle layer that is given inside layers panel, then select new layer, transform and rotate option. You can see a rotate layer is added here. So rectangle layer is beneath the rotate layer. You can see here angle duck is given. So using this angle duck you can move the rectangle. You can rotate the rectangle actually. Now let us create another rectangle. Select transform tool. Now click on rotate layer. Now if you move the rotate layer duck, then it will only move the first rectangle and not the second one. It is because The second rectangle that we have created, that is created above the rotate layer. So remember, the rotate layer affects all the layers beneath it. If you want to make the second rectangle also to rotate, then just drag it and put it beneath the rotate layer. Now select the rotate layer again. Now you can move both the rectangles at a time. In short, the rotate layer affects all the objects given beneath the rotate layer. Now we will create a path using Beeline tool. Actually, this is Beeline tool, but in newer version, remember, the name of Beeline tool is SP-Line. So click on that SP-Line tool, or Beeline tool you can say. See here in tool options, this create a outline layer option must be selected. Only this option you have to keep on. Now we will create a path first. So create a line here. Same way, create another line at the right side. Now again, take the mouse pointer to the starting point. There you have to right click, and then you have to select loop SP-Line, or you can say loop Beeline option. Now click on transform tool and adjust the path that we have created. So the path is ready. Now create a circle. So click on circle tool. See that here in tool options, only circle layer option must be selected. Select and create circle. Again click on transform tool. You can see two layers we have created, circle layer and a new SP-Line, that is Beeline actually. Now we will add third layer, that is rotate layer. So right click on the circle layer and then select new line, transform rotate layer option. You can see the third layer has been added, a rotate layer. So put its position on circle tool. Now we need to combine these two, rotate layer and circle layer. So click on rotate layer, then press the Ctrl or Shift key, then select circle layer, right click over there and select group layer option. Here in newer version it is given group layer, but remember in older version of Synfig it is named as encapsulate. So select the group layer option here. So both the layers are grouped here. Now we need to rotate this circle on given path, whatever path we have created. So for that, what we have to do, just click on rotate layer, press Shift key, or you can press Control key also, otherwise click on circle tool, click on new line, SP-Line tool. Now you have to press Control key and then you have to select all the ducks, but except this new line SP-Line, and then right click on the border of the Beeline and then select link to SP-Line option. Remember in the older version the option is given link to Beeline. So select this option. Now adjust the circle size as per your need. Now you can see that when you move this circle, it will only move to the particular path. So outside that path, outside this path, it will not move. Now put the circle on starting position, select 0F. Now start animate editing mode, it means make it on. Now move the circle layer little bit, then click on any other frame, change its position. You can see here diamond sign is given. This is interpolation sign. Now click on any other frame, then change the position of circle. At last, put the circle on this starting position. Now animate editing mode off. So this has been recorded. Now right click, file option, and then preview. Select preview option, click on preview button, and you can start the animation. So this way circle will move on the given position. You can click on loop option to continuously move this circle, to continuously run the animation. So this way we can create animation.